Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture watermark only first page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture watermark only from the first page. Go to the second page. Then click right button on our mouse and select the insert section. Then go back the first page, go to the view menu, click master pages option and go to the insert menu, click picture option. Then choose picture from our file and insert it. Then decrease the size. Then go back the master pages menu, click close master page. Now we want to insert this picture watermark only from the first page. Go to the second section and press shift on our keyboard to select these multiple pages. Then click right button on our mouse and go to master pages section, select none. Then check the all page and we can see we inserted picture watermark only from the second page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.